We've had an amazing day here at Dublin Maker. So many people, so much things to do, and we're overjoyed in how well it's gone.
We have over 90 exhibitors with a diverse range of activities, stuff for little mini makers to do, stuff for older people. We're catering to everybody here in Leopardstown Racecourse.
I'm having an absolutely wonderful time. I've been demonstrating how to make traditional stained glass items, but in a more modern way.
Out of our libraries, we've outfitted them as small maker spaces, and we're showcasing the new equipment that we have.
People are just flocking from far and wide to make sure they want to be part of the making atmosphere in Dublin. We have such a great time with the guys here. Absolutely keep it coming, and we just want to keep being involved.
We have such a wide array of makers this year. We are so delighted to have that. We have everything from patchwork and knitting and weaving and crochet to electronics to robotic dogs to watercolors and everything in between, and that is incredible.
It's been unbelievable here today, so it is. Everyone's been great, staff have been lovely, everyone's been very nice to us.
We got here something which is interesting. It's neuroscience for the kids. So you can capture neuro signals and transfer it to another person.
Yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant, and people have been having a great time coming, checking out the Raise the Cult bookshop and trying on proton packs.
Made by us.
Modelled by Miriam here, so yeah, it's been really, really fun.
This only happens because we got support from Research Ireland, from Dublin Maker, from lots of other little sponsors that come together and make this event happen. So thanks to them.